Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Lane of Secrets. I'm Diana Raseli, a tarot reader, a Reiki healer, and also a life coach. So today's reading is going to be for tarots for the month of June. So how is it going to be for the month of June tarots? We are going to check it out, we are going to see. Okay, so let's see. So just close your eyes and get connected to your god or goddesses, or even if you believe in angels, do get connected with the angels, and let's see what is there for the month of June. Okay, so we are going to cover up a little bit of your love life, your business, your work, your professions, everything. Okay, so we are just going to see how is it going to come. So it's a general reading, so whatever resonates, please take that, and whatever does not resonate, please leave it. This is the guidance. So as the month starts, you are going to get a lot of guidance which is going to help you to take your decisions in life. Okay, Taurus, so let's see what's there for the month of June for you people. Let's see the card, what's written there. Okay. Oh, good. That's nice. Great. Okay, so for Taurus, definitely a June month is going to be a battlefield month, in a sense like you are going to be facing a lot of new ventures and new responsibility in your life. That is going to really keep you on your tiptoe. Okay, but at the same time, there is another card that is Ten of Pentacles. That's a lot of money card, where you people are going to flourish with money, maybe some kind of for people who are looking for jobs, some kind of new ventures in life, some kind of new job, or if you're in a job, some kind of additional bonus is going to be handed over to you, which is going to make your bank finance a little bit better. So another card is Queen of Pentacles. There's a very, very beautiful card, a very confident lady who is, really going to grow. It's not just about a lady, it's a beautiful person who is very confident to grow in a professional field, or start a new business where you are going to make a lot of money with your intelligence and with your knowledge, whatever you have. Okay, so it's a good card. Well, there is a Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is also a very, very good card for people. For Taurus, this month is going to be overall development for you. It's not just going to be from the work front or from your finance, it's also with the entire, if you're having some kind of family issue, that is going to be sorted out. If you're having some work problem, that is going to be sorted out, so things are going to be very balanced for you in the month of June. So there's another card, I don't know why there's a Two of Swords card here. Some of the Taurus, you might be regretting your decisions which you have taken in your life. Somewhere you feel that you are not you have not taken a very good decision in life, and you are thinking about it again. You're a little bit confused and all, but at the same time I can see like there's a Strength card. So definitely, maybe for a few of the Taurus people, like 2024 to 2025, January, December, January, February, it is a little bit of a time where you people have really struggled. But there's a Strength card. So Strength card is, forgetting everything and moving ahead in life, thinking better, changing yourself, whatever past incidents that has happened in your life, overcoming out of it and gathering your strength and starting a new life, a new ventures again, right? So there's a Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is definitely, some of the tarots have really got a very good partners in their life, or some people who have not got any partners in their life, you're eagerly waiting for someone to enter into your life, or waiting for that love of cup, you want someone to really get connected to you. So there's another card, that is the High Priest. Definitely Taurus people, you basically tend to, give justice to all the people. You can never tolerate any injustice done by anyone. You're a straightforward person. So June month is going to be a justice month for you. You are going to take a stand for those people in your family, if anyone has done wrong to them, you're going to stand for them, you're going to stand for yourself. It's a very good card, in fact, in the month of June, yes. But at the end of the day, there's a Five of Swords. Five of Swords is also basically a card where you have to fight your battle every now and then. You really have to gather your strength and fight. So, well, Taurus is a fighter, right? So they've always been fighting in their life. They've always been doing certain things. They have to stand themselves. They have to take their part. They have to gather their strength and go forward again. But one card that is really I'm not happy about is the Hermit. Although you're surrounded with a lot of your family, friends, lot of workload, lot of running about, but still at the end of the day, there is that emptiness in your heart. So for few Taurus, you might have shifted from your hometown. So you wanted to have a very, maybe you have done a new settlement, gone to new places, started a new life, traveled very fast. So somewhere, traveling away from your home is also giving you a little bit of sadness in your life, because it's away from home, a new place, starting new things. So this is creating a little bit of disbalance in your life, but there's nothing to worry, because there is another card. So the card is telling you, take things very lightly. Don't ponder a lot, don't think about a lot, act accordingly whatever comes in your life. Okay, so definitely, again, I told you, there is a High Priest card. So Taurus people are always going to pick a speak for your justice. So there's no look back for Taurus for the month of June. Okay, so there is, let me see regarding the finance part. Okay, there is a Five of Swords. So I just want to clarify this Five of Swords. Okay, Five of Swords is coming with a lot of money growth also, but yes, you have to, okay, there is also a backstabbing card. So certain places in Taurus's life, if you are working with some business front or something, like, there is a backstabbing card, in a sense is there can be someone who's going to cheat you at your workplace. If not your workplace, maybe a relationship issue also. Some people might come in your life who have cheated you, who, if they have not cheated you right now, so you have to get ready, like coming month, some kind of cheating or some kind of backstab is going to happen in your life, but that is not going to break you down, because I can see that you're going to act accordingly, right? You have to act accordingly if that person is not required, because the main thing in a life is the trust, and if the trust is not there, it's no use hanging or keeping those people around you, right? So why is this a confusing card for you? Ten of Swords. Okay, yes, I am telling, for certain Taurus people, you are waiting for some good things to happen in your life regarding your relationship. You're waiting with a cup full of cups, right? So you want a very, very good partner in your life. Many of the Taurus people have already settled down in your life. So for you people, you have to create a good bonding with your partners, because definitely few months of the marital life is, like you're very happy, right? But later on, when you start staying with a person and you try to understand that person, there are a lot of things like might not be according to your wish, right? So no one is perfect, so you just have to try to understand your partner and make things very clear with your partner, and try to move, understand each other and move ahead. And for few of the Taurus people, the expectations what you're having in your life to have a new person coming back into your life, you're waiting eagerly to get connected to someone new. Definitely I can see some kind of good news for those kind of people, like, who are waiting to get connected in a relationship, who have already had a, like breakup. There is a card that is a King of Cups. So definitely someone new has got high chances of getting connected to you, so don't lose hope. So this was a reading for my Taurus people for the month of June. I hope you like the reading. just take whatever resonates with you. If anyone wants to have a personal reading, please get connected to me. You can get in touch via WhatsApp, you can give me a call, or you can just send a message, and then we can fix an appointment accordingly. So once again, thank you so much. Hope to get back to you soon. So next reading is going to be for the Tarot's love life, okay, individually for the love life, because I can see there is a lot of commercial in a relationship more than the business and the professional factors. I think everything is going very smoothly, so just be very careful not to get cheated or not to trust people so much in life. Always keep a balance between your colleagues, your workers, whoever, don't get too close to them. Always create that boundaries so that you can tackle them properly and stay alert so that you might not get cheated in life. Thank you so much. Take care and hope to see you soon.